Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. In our last class, we had a discussion on problems on vector product and dot product, or problems on product of two vectors. In this class, I am going to discuss about the rest of the topic, scalar triple product and exemplar problems. Clear? Okay, problems on scalar triple product. Okay, first one, hold on. Scalar triple product. So we have first one, angle between the vectors root 3 into a cross b, vector a cross b, and vector b minus a dot b into a dot b into a. So this is the thing we need to find here. Here we need to find angle between these two vectors. Now before going to find the angle, just find the dot product. Suppose the dot product of these two vectors is equal to 0, then the given two vectors are perpendicular to each other, hence the angle between them is 90 degree. Okay, I will go with the concept of dot product. Consider what they given, root 3 into a cross b, the dot product with second vector, vector b minus, this is vector a dot b into vector a dot b into vector a. Simplification nodona. First product of first term, this term, this here root 3 into vector a cross vector b dot with vector b, dot product with first vector vector b, minus same term root 3 into vector a cross b dot a dot b into vector a. We have into vector a. So here just observe here, this is a root 3 into a cross b, vector a cross b dot b, minus this is a root 3 into a cross b. So here we have the vector a alva, so dot into vector a baritin, dot vector a, and the remaining term as it is, this is vector a dot b. Because this is already scalar, a dot b is a scalar is this is the vector, so we will go with a dot b dot c, dot a. Just observe here, a cross dot b there, so here vector b repeat two times, hence the scalar triple product a b c, when any one of the vector is repeated, then the value becomes 0. This is here 0. Similar here also nodi, a cross b dot a, this is nothing but scalar triple product of vector a, b and a. Here a repeats two times, hence this value is also 0. Here we left it root 3 into 0 minus root 3 into 0 into a dot b. This is here 0 minus 0. So total we left with here 0, because root 3 into 0 is 0. Root 3 into 0 again 0. 0 into anything is 0. So finally we left with 0. Therefore given two vectors are perpendicular to each other, hence their angle between them is 90 degree. Pi by 2. Option A is the right answer. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. Question number 85. If u, v, w are three non-coplanar vectors, non-coplanar means they are not lies on the same plane, then vector u plus v minus w dot u minus v cross v minus w is equal to, here we need to find the value of this one or the resultant quantity. First one, write the given things as it is, u plus v minus w dot with, this is a u minus v cross v minus w. First we have to evaluate the internal term of the second term. So first term write as it is u plus v minus w, write as it is, dot, go with this case, first one u cross v minus w, first quantity u cross v minus w minus vector v cross v minus w, v cross v minus w. Next step is simplification. This is u plus v minus w dot, this can be written as u cross v, this distributive property, minus u cross w, next one minus v cross v agutte, v cross v, minus into minus becomes plus, this will get v cross w, v cross w. Just remember the properties of vector product. A cross A is equal to 0 delva, so therefore this quantity becomes 0. This quantity is 0. Remaining thing, we go with the dot product with the first vector. Will noting vector u plus v minus w with a dot product with u cross v minus u cross w plus v cross w. Next implication order. First one, product with u, vector u dot, this top quantity u cross v minus u cross w plus v cross w, and the second one plus v dot, so go with the same thing, plus minus w dot, the same thing, right, second term. Next step is simplification. So this term becomes vector u dot u cross v agutte minus u dot u cross w plus u dot v cross w agutte, first term. You can repeat the same term for second term, v, this is a plus v dot u cross v, again second term, minus v dot u cross w plus v dot v cross w. Second term is over. Next come to the third term. Third term we have minus w with, this is a minus w times of u cross v, minus and minus become plus here, w dot u cross w plus, so this becomes here minus because we have minus w, minus w dot v cross w. Just observe here, so in a scalar triple product, any one of the vector is repeated, then their value becomes 0. Similar here also, first observe the first term, there we have u dot u cross v, it means u repeats 2 times, right, hence the value becomes 0, this value is 0. And next one, u dot u cross w with, that is also 0, then u dot v cross w, u dot v cross w, that becomes u dot v cross w quantity. Clear? Okay. And illustration nodi, v repeats 2 times means here that value becomes 0. Here also minus v dot u cross w with u cross w, and this quantity also becomes 0. So here minus w dot u cross v, minus w dot u cross v, and here w repeats 2 times, that value becomes 0, here also that is 0. So we will rearrange this one, u v w, always go with cyclic order, u then v then w. So this is not a problem, this is becomes u v w, that is scalar triple product of the 3 vectors u v w minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ v ಇದೆ u cross w ಇದೆ, v actually ನಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ w cross ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, so take the negative sign, this is v dot minus W cross U ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is not a problem, this is in cyclic order. W U V, this is can be written as minus U V W. So all are same, right? Last class we have discussed there. In case of scalar triple product of ABC is equal to BCA is equal to CAB. So this becomes UVW, scalar triple product of UVW minus, so this becomes minus into minus is plus V dot W cross U ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. V dot W cross U, this is the minus UVW. So this term get cancelled because one is positive, one is negative. Finally we left with this term. This also can be written as UVW, scalar triple product of UVW or U dot V cross W. U dot V cross W. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Just. So what about option we'll observe here. So this is option C is our right answer. So option C alla. Option B. So what we have option? U dot V cross W. That is our right answer. Option B. For this question, option B is the right answer. Next, dear children, we are moving to the next question. So this is based on the application of scalar triple product. Just remember application of scalar triple product. The volume of tetrahedron whose coterminous edges, they are called two coterminous edges. Three edges ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಸ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಜೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಈಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ V is equal to 1/6 times of scalar triple product. Take the given vectors A, B, C. They are the coterminous edges of the tetrahedron. Similarly, in the case of parallelepiped, that is also coterminous edges. So this becomes first vector. Take this as here vector A, vector B and vector C. First vector alli I component is 0, right? I is absent there. This is 1, this will be 1. Second one 1 0 1. Third one 1 1 0. Just expand the terms here. 1/6 times of first term is 0 and anything is 0. No need of expansion. Minus 1 into, take cross multiplication by neglecting corresponding row and corresponding column. Neglect this row and this column. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Because we have minus here, 1 into 1 is 1 there. Plus 1 times of, this is neglect corresponding row, corresponding column. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0. This is 1/6 times of, here we left it 0. Minus into minus is plus 1 and here we have plus 1. This is 1 divided by 6 into 2, that becomes 1/3 cubic unit. Therefore, the volume of the given tetrahedron is 1/3 cubic unit. Take a pause and note on. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. If the vectors they given 2i minus 3j, I plus j minus k and 3i minus k form three concurrent edges of the parallelepiped, then the volume of the parallelepiped is, there are the three concurrent edges of the parallelepiped means corresponding volume becomes just a scalar triple product of the given three vectors. Okay, volume V is equal to, here we have to find the scalar triple product. Take the given vectors as vector A, B, C respectively. So this becomes, first vector is 2i minus 3j. So here 2i component is 2, j component is 3 and k component is 0. For second one 1 1 minus 1, this will be 3 0 minus 1. Take this as vector A, vector B and vector C. A, B and C. Next thing is expansion. This is 2 times of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus 0. Minus 3 times of 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus into minus becomes there. Plus 3 plus 0 into anything is 0. No need of expansion of 0 because 0 into anything is 0. This becomes minus 2 minus 3 times of 2. This is a minus 2 minus 6. This becomes here minus 8. Actually volume is always non-negative, hence we have to take the positive quantity. The answer is 8 cubic unit. This is the answer. Volume of parallelepiped is 8 cubic unit. Take a pause and note on. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. Question number 92. If vector A is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k and B is equal to 2i minus 4k cap and C is equal to I cap plus lambda into j plus 3k are coplanar, then the value of lambda is, here we need to find the value of lambda. When they are coplanar, we have the condition corresponding scalar triple product of the given vector ABC becomes 0. Vector A, B, C, scalar triple product is 0. Find the scalar triple product. First one 1, 1, 1, the component of vector A. Second one 2 minus, second is j 0 and this is minus 4, and the third one 1 lambda and 3. This is 1 times of 0 minus into minus becomes plus 4 lambda, neglect corresponding row and corresponding column. Second term minus 1 times of 2 3s are 6 minus into minus becomes plus 4 plus 1 times of 2 lambda is equal to 0, because 1 into 0 become 0 there. This is a 4 lambda minus 10 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. This is a 6 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. Then lambda is equal to 10 divided by 6. This is nothing but simplification, 5 by 3 divided by 2. So lambda is equal to 5 by 3. This is the actual answer, but this is not an option. Therefore our option is none of these. Option D is the right answer. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the example questions. Okay, the first question. The position of vector of the point which divides the join of the points 2 into vector A minus 3 into vector B and vector A plus vector B in the ratio 3:1 is joining the point with the object, that becomes internal division. So take the given vector as first one is vector A OA ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ is equal to 2A minus 3 into vector B, and this is here vector OB is equal to vector A plus vector B. The given m is to n is equal to 3:1. We have the formula vector OR is equal to, for internal division, m into vector B alwa. So vector B is, this is vector OB plus n into vector OA divided by m plus n. M is here 3, so this becomes 3 times of OB 2A minus 3B, sorry OB alva. This is OB is vector A plus vector B plus n is 1 into 2A minus 3B divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is simplification, vector 3A plus 3B plus 2A minus 3B divided by 4 is there, plus 3B minus 3B get cancelled. 3A plus 2A is 5A. This is vector 5A divided by 4. This is our answer. Vector 5A divided by 4. Take a pause and note on, and answer is option D. The next question. The angle between the two vectors, vector A and vector B with magnitudes √3 and 4 respectively, and A dot B is equal to 2 root 3 ಇದು. A dot P is equal to 2 root 3. So we have the formula for angle between two vectors. When they given dot product, here always go with cos theta. When they given cross product, avaga sin theta use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. A dot B ಇದು. So A dot B ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 into root 3 divided by, this is a root 3 into 4. Root 3 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancelled. Left with 1 by 2. Therefore cos theta is equal to what we have here? 1 by 2. What is theta then? Cos inverse of 1 by 2. When cos becomes 1 by 2, at the angle pi by 3 or 60 degree. But option B is the right answer. Take a pause and note on. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. Example question. The vectors from origin to the point A and B are vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 2k and vector B is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k respectively. Then the area of triangle is, here we need to find area of triangle. Just observe here. This is the origin, this is the point A, this is the point B. The given vector OA is nothing but vector A. This is vector B, right? This is the given thing here. Then area of triangle OAB is equal to, just remember the cross product. Whenever vector A and vector B are the two adjacent sides of the triangle, then their area becomes 1 by 2 times of mod of A cross B or magnitude of A cross B. This is A cross B. First we have to find the value for A cross B. Vector A cross vector B is equal to, this is the determinant of order 3 cross 3. First row is I, this is J, this will be K, and the second row 2 minus 3 2 and third one 2 3 1 is equal to, expand the terms here, I times of, this is minus 3 minus 6 minus J times of 2 minus 4 plus k times of 6 plus 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 3s are 6 minus ಇರುತ್ತೆ sign. 2 into minus 3 becomes again minus 6, minus into minus becomes plus. There we left with, this is a minus 9 into I cap plus 2 into J cap plus 12 K cap. This is A cross B. What about magnitude of A cross B? Magnitude of A cross B is equal to square root of what we have there, minus 9 whole square plus 2 square plus 12 square. This is a minus 9 whole square plus 2 square plus 12 square. Simplification, square root of 9 square is 81 plus 4 plus 12 square is 144. Sum of these three term becomes root of 229. Therefore area of triangle OAB is equal to 1 by 2 times of root of 229. This is our answer. Okay, option D is our right answer. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the next question. The vectors lambda into I cap plus j plus 2k, and second one I cap plus lambda into j cap minus k cap, and 2 into I cap minus j cap plus lambda into k cap are coplanar if. So when they are coplanar, obviously corresponding scalar triple product is equal to what? 0. We follow the same thing here. Therefore directly consider the scalar triple product. First vector is lambda into I cap plus j alpha. This is lambda and 1. This is we have 2. And next one here 1 lambda minus 1, 2 minus 1 lambda, that is equal to 0. Next time please simplification, lambda into lambda is lambda square, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, or did we have minus, that becomes minus 1. Minus 1 times of negative corresponding row corresponding column, 1 into lambda is lambda plus 2. plus 2 times of minus 1 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Multiply with lambda here, lambda cube minus lambda minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Minus lambda is minus 2 lambda minus 4 lambda becomes lambda cube minus 4 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda cube minus 4 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Here we need to find the value of lambda, but this is a cubic polynomial. Go with inspection method. Go with inspection method. Okay. So replace lambda is equal to 0. This equation is not satisfies. If I replace lambda is equal to 0, 0 cube minus 4 into 0 minus 4. We left with minus 4 there. Not equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 1. That is also not valid. Lambda is equal to 2. 2 cube is 8. Here we have minus 8. Again we left with minus 4 there. Lambda is equal to minus 1. If I take minus 1, this is minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus into minus become plus 4, and this is minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. We left with minus 4. That is also not equal to 0. Then go with lambda is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 4 into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. This is a plus 8, and that becomes minus 4. So this is a 6 lambda alva. 6 lambda nodi. 6 lambda. Here also, if you replace lambda is equal to 0, 1 or minus 1, plus 2 and minus 2, we get the same thing, but I will take lambda is equal to minus 2. That becomes minus 8. This is a plus 12 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, plus 12 get cancelled. We left with 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to 2 is one of the root of this cubic equation. Lambda is equal to minus 2 is one of the root of this cubic equation. Then, so by go with synthetic division, here we have lambda is equal to minus 2. So go with the, write the coefficient of the terms. For lambda cube is 1. For this one, lambda square, that is 0. This is here minus 6. This will be minus 4. And here 0, we left with here 1. This is a minus 2. Minus 2 becomes, add madi, minus 2 agutte. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. This becomes minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. We left it there 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 2 is one of the root, or this can be written as lambda plus 2 into remaining terms. Here go with 1 can be decremented here. This becomes lambda square, lambda then minus 2. So therefore this becomes lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Then one value is lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda becomes minus 2. Right. Another one, lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0 agutte. Solve this equation. Solve this equation. What we left there? Lambda is equal to, this is nothing but quadratic polynomial. Lambda is equal to minus 12. So minus 2, b is equal to minus 2. That becomes minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 4 into minus 2 whole divided by 2 into a. This is lambda is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus into minus becomes there plus 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 can be written as already directly here. This is 2 root 3 divided by 2. Take 2 as common there. We left with 1 plus or minus root 3. So these are not in the option. Hence lambda is equal to minus 2 is our required value. Lambda is equal to minus 2 is our required value. Option A is the right answer. Take a pause and note on. Now dear students, we are moving to the last question of vector algebra. If magnitude of vector A is equal to 4 and minus 3 less than equal to lambda less than equal to 2, then range of lambda into vector A, that is magnitude of lambda into vector A. Just write the given thing, minus 3 less than or equal to lambda less than equal to 2 is there. If I consider lambda for this one, magnitude for lambda here, lambda is less than equal to 3 agutte. Just remember the linear inequality and properties of modulus. Here we left with modulus of lambda less than equal to 3 ಆಯಿತು. Then consider this one. Modulus of lambda or magnitude of lambda into magnitude of vector A is less than or equal to. So magnitude of lambda ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ, this is here 3 into this one. What we have here? Magnitude of vector A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is 3 into 4 less than equal to 12 ಆಯಿತು. Because they already given the value. Magnitude of vector A is equal to 4. This is lambda into modulus of or magnitude of vector A. If I combine these two, that becomes lambda into vector A. That is magnitude of lambda into vector A. That is less than or equal to 12 ಇದೆ. Less than or equal to 12 means obviously range of magnitude of vector A, it is never be negative, right? It is never be negative. Here also lambda is varies from -3 to -2 means -3 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that becomes here positive. So up to 0 to -3 ವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that becomes here positive means we left with 0 to 3. That's why magnitude or modulus of lambda becomes less than or equal to 3. Least value. Therefore here lambda is varies from where? Lambda belongs to 0 to 3 here. So modulus of lambda is less than or equal to 3. We are not considering up to minus infinity because modulus is always non-negative. It is always greater than or equal to 0. That's why this is the range of lambda. But here we have to find the range of what? Magnitude of lambda into vector A. So that is less than or equal to 12 means lambda into vector A, modulus of lambda into vector A belongs to closed interval 0 to 12. Closed interval 0 to 12. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Just observe, dear children. So we had discussion on vector algebra from class 1, class 2, class 3. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.